Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the match day post-match press conference. Today we have Mr. Rudolph Speid, head coach of Cavalier. Any questions on the floor?
Yeah. How would you assess the match today, coach?
Basically, we just left our shooting boots at home. I think we got a lot of opportunities. We didn't make use of them. And Weymouth Wales did make use of their opportunities, and I think deserving of the win.
Can you confirm your formation today, your starting formation?
Oh, I started 3-4-3.
So now that the journey ends here for this particular competition or tournament, what next for Cavaliers?
Well, we still have to defend our title in Jamaica. As I said before, this is a rebuilding year for us. I know it was going to be difficult. I can just say, some of the young players hasn't acclimatized yet, so we still have about 34 matches to get it right. So that is what we will be doing, trying to get it right for the Premier League and see if we can come back to this competition next year.
How would you assess your campaign as a whole?
Oh, very up and down. I think we played good against Defence Force, played good against Juventus, didn't get the results we desired. I think even today we got enough opportunities to get the win, but as again, there's a lot of young players getting the chances. We didn't have our lethal players, strikers that we had the last 2 years, so that played out against us this year.
Did you blame the late winner on the inexperience or not quite?
No, I thought the late winner, you see, we keep pushing because we're trying to get it. It was always likely to happen after missing so many chances, keep pushing. So I would more blame the late winner, and I thought, maybe the goalkeeper could have come for that ball. It was in the 6-yard box, so it probably went to him than anything else.
Any additional questions from the floor?
All right. All right.
Right.
Thank you for having me. Yeah.
How would you gauge the opposition this evening, Weymouth Wales, in it for the first time? And
No, I think.
pretty reasonably well through the tournament?
Yeah, I thought they did remarkable well, being one of the amateur teams that came in the competition. I think playing in this competition will help them tremendously. They will see the gaps that between the professional teams and themselves. But I think that they are a team that no matter how it looks like they are down and out, they always fight back, so that credit to them. I think that's a good trait to have. But now that Weymouth Wales has gone to the Caribbean Cup, I believe that other clubs now will see an opportunity. And I'm hoping, you see, I'm a Caribbean person still, I'm hoping that these clubs will get better and challenge Weymouth Wales in Barbados to become the champion so they can play in the top league too. I'm hoping this become a catalyst for those teams.
Okay, any final questions? There are no more questions. I want to thank everybody for coming to the post-match press conference. Thank you, Mr. Speid.
Thank you very much.